transforming my IKEA table into a vanity quickly using this mirror hack. Have you ever been in the middle of a DIY project, looking at two pieces of furniture that don't match and wondering, how can I make this work? That's what happened to me when I tried to attach an old mirror from a vanity set to my IKEA table. I wanted to create a custom vanity, but I didn't know how to hold the mirror firmly to the table. Attaching a mirror to a table isn't as easy as it seems. Mirrors are delicate, and IKEA tables aren't very flexible. You can't just drill into the table without risking damage. So, what should you do? After looking into different options and thinking about possible solutions, I found a few common methods that people use. One idea was to use adhesive strips made for mirrors, but I was worried they might not hold up well over time. Another suggestion was using L brackets, which seemed like a good idea, but they could leave unsightly holes and scratches on both the mirror and the table. I was getting frustrated because I needed a solution that was simple, strong, and looked nice. Then, I came across Teds Woodworking, which is a fantastic resource for anyone who enjoys building or modifying furniture. Ted's video showed me so many possibilities. Imagine having access to over 16,000 woodworking projects, all with easy-to-follow instructions, diagrams, and photos that make each project incredibly simple. You don't need expensive tools or a big workshop. In just a few minutes, I discovered a plan that explained how to make special holders to keep my mirror securely in place without harming my IKEA table or the mirror. The clamps are created from wood pieces cut to size based on the thickness of your table and mirror frame. They use a straightforward L shape that can slide over the edge of the table and grip the mirror securely. Ted's plans recommend adding soft padding or felt to the inside of the clamps, ensuring the mirror is held tightly without scratching the glass or the table surface. These clamps can be custom-sized depending on the dimensions of your mirror and table. You can make them tighter or looser by adjusting the width of the clamp arms, allowing flexibility for different setups. The custom clamps can be tightened with screws or fasteners that don't penetrate the table or mirror, making the setup reversible if needed. Ted also suggests finishing the clamps with paint or wood stain to match the style of the table, providing a seamless, professional look. With simple tools, I used the guide to create nice wooden supports that looked great on my table. The best part? I didn't worry about messing up my furniture because the instructions were very clear. No matter if you're good at woodworking or just starting, Teds Woodworking helps you feel sure that your project will look just like you want. Want to know how you can improve your next project? Click the link in the description below to see Ted's plans and make your DIY skills even better.